Can you briefly introduce yourself, your role, and your company?
Okay, yeah. My name is Daozhan Yu. My company is called AV Energy, and I'm the CEO of the company.
Thanks. What are the products your company are selling for?
AV Energy is a biotech company. We focus on developing new technology to solve AV gene therapy bottleneck problems. For the past years, we developed different technologies. Like first one is the AV, we call it AV1. AV1 is actually one plasmid AV manufacture system. So currently, most people are using the triple plasmid transfection system for AV manufacture. It has been used for almost 30 years. But the problem is triple plasmid transfection system, the productivity is pretty low. And also there are some other downstream purification problems and quality problem. So basically the manufacture is very difficult and the cost is high. So that's why for the approved AV gene therapy drugs, the cost is usually millions of dollars per patient. So we developed the one plasmid AV manufacture system. It has several-fold higher productivity than triple plasmid transfection system, and also the quality is better. And actually, yesterday we just released the launch of the AV1 2.1 system. This system has a super high productivity. It can reach 1E16 virus genome per liter of cell culture. And that's basically 10 times or more higher than current triple plasmid transfection system. So that will solve a lot of the AV gene therapy problems and the manufacture and quality issues. And also more importantly, so the AV1 2.1 system has very high full AV ratio at harvest. So during the AV manufacture, usually we get actually about 30% of the full AV ratio at harvest. But for our system, we can get up to 80%. So that means, that's for the downstream purification, you can eliminate R exchange column. That one small step actually can simplify the purification and also save tons of money. So that's the one AV manufacture system, the technology we developed. So another one is we actually engineer the AV capsid to make the delivery more efficient. So for AV gene therapy, currently people use a very high dose because the AV delivery efficiency actually is pretty low. So people have to use a high dose to make it effective. But that's from the founding of the company 7 years ago, we thought this is a major problem. I mean, we should solve it before to develop new pipelines. Otherwise, we now see the many pipelines they use very high dose of the AV that cause the toxicity issues, side effects. So many pipelines they have patients die in clinical trial, and they have to drop the pipelines. So 7 years ago, we actually thought this delivery efficiency is a major problem. We should solve it. How did we do that? We have a platform called Athena. We actually make different AV capsid libraries, and we engineer them and screen them, and to get a new AV capsid with a hundreds-fold higher delivery efficiency. In that way, you can imagine we can actually reduce the AV dose by tens or even hundreds of fold. And that will solve, the toxicity issue and also solve the manufacturer pressure and the cost issue. We hope that can decrease the drug cost and the price dramatically. So that's the second platform. Actually, the third technology is we actually developed some new technology to measure or monitor AV quality. So now I think that's for many AV gene therapy drugs. So there's no really good assays to measure the quality, such as the infectivities. So for example, for the ATCC, they have an assay to measure the infectivity of AV, and they also have different AV reference. However, you can see, that's their measured infectivity is only about 0.2%. So which is actually not right. I think that's we actually developed a new AV infectivity assay called TCID50 assay. So that one actually we can measure and monitor the AV infectivity. Our result is about 51% for the infectious AV ratio. So that's, I think, more reflect the real active AV ratio. So we hope, with these new technologies, we can closely monitor the AV qualities and also make the AV manufacture much easier and cost effective. And also by using the new AV capsid with higher delivery efficiency, we can reduce the dose and reduce the toxicity side effect to make the AV gene therapy more accessible and affordable for the patients to develop better AV gene therapy drugs.
Thanks for the comprehensive explanation about all the systems. And I believe the innovations of your technology and cost effective make your company unique than other companies. And yes. Another question, why your company decide to sponsor SAPA-CGT?
SAPA actually is a very good community. Actually, I'm myself, I'm a part of the SAPA-DC chapters.
Oh.
And I think that's Philadelphia is the center of the gene therapies. We have the CAR-T here, gene therapy also here, Spark and Roche. So basically, a lot of talents here and a lot of company here. So that's it's my honor to join the SAPA-CGT meeting. I think it's a really good event. I think every year we came here, we get more connections and get more information from different companies, and which actually help our business. I think our visibility also increased, and I think it's a great event and it's well organized. And I really appreciate everybody's effort. All of us are volunteers. That's they did a very good job, and we enjoy it.
Thank you. And last question, how is your experience for the SAPA-GP CGT this year?
This year, I think we all know that it's a difficult year especially for us, for the AV gene therapy. But we can see, that the people are all working hard. I mean, for the rise or re-rise of the AV gene therapy. I think that's this year. There are challenges, but from the talks I joined, I think that I got a very exciting news and got more exciting, encouraging information. I think that's we are all hopeful. That's AV gene therapy is in a downside now, but we believe, that gene therapy is going to surge, that's soon. That's this year, I think, is a very encouraging year. I think also for our company, it's maybe a turning point year. So, yeah, I look forward to it.
Yeah. Same. Thanks for the interview, and hope to see you next year.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.